it's becoming increasingly clear how China likes to push the envelope and test the limits of the country's patience in the West Philippine Sea. One thing is for sure, the PCG and AFP can ill afford to overreact against China's challenges, but instead remain firm in holding ground and calling them out in accordance with international law. Our Patrick Jesus has more.
Two China Coast Guard vessels came as close as 34 nautical miles from the coastline of Pangasinan. This was monitored by the Philippine Coast Guard on Sunday morning, prompting the immediate deployment of an islander aircraft. The Chinese vessels, with bow numbers 3301 and 3104, did not respond to any radio challenge.
You are directed to depart immediately and to notify us of your intentions. Over.
BRP Cabra and BRP Bagakay were also deployed to monitor the situation, successfully driving the vessels further away to a distance of 70 to 75 nautical miles from Luna, La Union. This is the closest distance Chinese vessels have come to the country's coastline this year.
From Mindolo, and then umakyat siya ng Pangasinan at ngayon nasa La Union. We still don't know where will be the final area na kung saan maglalagi itong China Coast Guard vessels na to. But our two Coast Guard vessels will ensure na bubuntutan natin ito. Etong pagdikit niya ng 34 nautical miles yesterday ay continuous. No? Kumbaga, na-detect natin siyang lumapit ng ganun, but it never stayed there for a long time. No?
Meanwhile, China Coast Guard vessels have been in rotational deployment or patrol in the country's exclusive economic zone near Zambales for over a month now. The monster ship returned last Saturday but was once again driven away, this time 120 nautical miles from the country's coastline. This was due to the persistent monitoring efforts of the BRP Teresa Magbanwa to prevent the ship from coming closer. According to an expert, the PCG's efforts are appropriate and lawful despite limited assets and resources.
The more we show alarm, the more we show primarily fear, then their gray zone operation is being effective. So the best thing to do is, of course, to challenge them. Limited capabilities, we would stand on our ground.
It's an open book that we have a very limited number of assets. No? That can also be a possibility. On the part of the Philippine Coast Guard, we are strategically managing our limited resources. As far as the Coast Guard is concerned, we are adhering to the guidance of President Bongbong Marcos. No? Ilang beses niya na itong sinabi, we should not be the reason to escalate the tension. We are not instigators of war when we are a peace-loving nation.
Meanwhile, following the arrest of Chinese nationals allegedly for spying on naval docks and Coast Guard stations, the PCG assured that systems are in place to prevent leaks in their operations.
As far as the personnel on board, the Coast Guard personnel are concerned, they are properly vetted, no? And they are also reminded every once in a while yung secrecy and confidentiality ng ating deployment ng Coast Guard asset. We also have different ways to do background check to our personnel na siguraduhin na they will not be the source of leak ng ating movement.
From the People's Television Network, Patrick De Jesus, Balitang Pambansa.